Zama crypto prediction for May 22nd, 2026. This token is showing continuously improving performance. The earlier support levels were lower, while the current support levels are rising, which means the number of holders is increasing over time. For short-term trading, the token is still following a dynamic resistance line, so it is likely to touch the resistance first and then drop back to the support level. There has not yet been a breakout above the dynamic resistance line. However, because this token is still new and has strong performance, I predict it could rise to around ZALA 10 cents or even higher. Looking at the 1-month time frame, the token has been consistently bullish from its lowest price. Usually, when a new token shows immediate bullish momentum, it tends to increase multiple times over, on average around 10x to 20x. A realistic target estimation would be around tens.